Hi Kids Food Basket supporters, friends, and the Grand Rapids community. We are so excited to announce our new location. We're moving at the end of the summer of 2010 to 2055 Oak Industrial Drive. It's right around the corner of Michigan and Plymouth. Really looking forward to this move. It's going to allow us to expand our services so much. We've got probably about 14 schools on our waiting list right now, and this new location will allow us to expand our services to be serving 100% more kids than we're serving right now within the next 3 years. We're really looking forward to that. Please mark your calendars for October 16th. That's the date of our open house, and you're all invited. It's a Saturday. It'll be a fantastic day. Also, if you're interested in being a part of this move, whether interested in being a part as a volunteer or interested in making contribution, check out our website. There's different volunteer opportunities through the move, after the move, and different ways that you can make a gift as well. Thank you so much, and for sure we'll see you on October the 16th.